In April of this year, the collaboration between Make and OpenAI represents the absolute peak of autonomous orchestration. You are no longer restricted by linear if this then that triggers. You are building a self-correcting AI brain that uses Make purely as its central nervous system for execution. So, if your business is still running on rigid manual triggers, in this year, basic automation is the baseline, but autonomous orchestration is the ceiling. And today, we are breaking out of the standard scenario and building a high-performance AI operator using the latest GPT 5.5 model. This isn't just a simple bot that pings your Slack or saves a row to a spreadsheet. It's a reasoning agent that researches, plans, and executes across your entire tech stack. And in this video, I'm showing you the exact architecture, the agentic prompt structures, and the circular logic secrets to go from a blank canvas to an autonomous powerhouse that works while you sleep. So let's build something truly intelligent. Alright, and before we wire the brain, we need to understand the landscape of this year. So Make.com recently released its Make AI agents, the new app, which has completely overhauled the traditional scenario builder. And now the service. Make is no longer just a connector, it's an orchestration layer. The new Run an Agent module allows an LLM to live inside your workflow with its own knowledge base and tool access. It can literally pause to the scenario, look at a file, reason through a problem, and then choose which module to trigger next. And then what we're doing in this video. We are building a lead intelligence agent. We aren't just qualifying names, we're using ChatGPT to research a prospect's live fiscal reports, analyze their industry pain points, and then draft a multi-model proposal. Then the integration, we are leveraging the OpenAI GPT 5.5 API, which features a massive 1 million token context window. This allows our Make scenario to ingest entire project folders in one go, giving the agent infinite memory during the execution phase. This is the shift from automated tasks to autonomous roles. And before we start building the autonomous agent, of course, guys, make sure that you have the accounts, world services. So just go ahead and sign up for ChatGPT and Make as well. I'm just going to sign in. You can, as you can see, sign in or sign up with these services. Okay, Google, SSO, Apple, Facebook, and GitHub. Alright, I'm now logging in, and this should take me to my dashboard. Great. Alright, so now we can get into the high-depth build. We are moving away from linear lines and into circular agentic loops. So firstly, the intake and semantic filtering. So we start with a Make webhook linked to your CRM. In order to work with webhooks, you go here into this section, and you can open the scenario builder. Also in this year, we add the new semantic filter module. This uses a mini model to sniff the data. If the lead is low value, the scenario stops here, saving you massive API costs. And now the agent module setup. You can drag the Make AI Agents app. So you go plus, then you go AI by Make, and as you can see, we have AI agents. So just choose this in order to start creating your agents. You can connect it to your GPT 5.5 Pro account. Inside this module, we define a persona. So you can go with this kind of prompt and description as an example. And then the third, is knowledge and RAG integration. You need to click on the knowledge tab and then upload your brand Bible and case studies. This year, Make handles the vector embeddings automatically, so the agent can pull specific quotes from your documents to use it in its reasoning without you setting up a separate database. And then point number four is enabling reasoning animations. So this is a game changer. So when you run a scenario, The reasoning panel shows you the agent's chain of thoughts. And for example, you'll see it say, I have analyzed the website, but the contact person isn't listed. I will now trigger the LinkedIn search tool. So this transparency allows us to debug the AI's logic as it happens. And next is the tool call loop. So we can add a call scenario tool. So once again, click on a plus. You can add a module or use the AI module, for example, and then search for call. And then, as you can see, we can make a API call. And then here you can create a connection. And if the agent decides a lead is high priority, it doesn't just send an email. It triggers a sub-scenario that generates a custom video greeting using Sora. It passes the lead's name and specific pain points to the video engine, creating a one-to-one personal touch that feels human but is 100% autonomous. And then finally the validation and output. We can add a JSON parser module. So once again, add module, type in JSON, and then parse JSON. There you go. And then we instruct ChatGPT to return its final decision in a structured format. We then map that data into your CRM and Slack. The result? You wake up to a channel filled with researched, pre-qualified, and already contacted leads. No human intervention required. And now let's talk numbers, because agentic workflows consume more resources than basic ones. So firstly, make. So to use the AI Agents app and webhooks at scale, you need a Pro plan, which is about, as you can see, $16 a month. This gives you 10,000 credits and access to priority execution. Now OpenAI costs. So GPT 5.5 standard API is priced at $5 per 1 million input tokens and $30 per 1 million output tokens. A full research loop costs roughly $0.03 per lead. And the optimizer. I recommend using GPT 4.5 mini for your initial semantic filter and only calling the GPT 5.5 Pro model for the final reasoning steps to keep your costs down. And like this, you can officially enter the era of the autonomous operator. You've seen the architecture, the pricing, and the exact steps to turn Make into the central brain of your business. Don't forget to like the video if this helped, and subscribe for more vibe coding tutorials.